Heel touches. All right, excellent but simple exercise for your obliques. So the obliques are the side of the core here, but you're also gonna work this upper part of your core here, just from keeping our upper shoulder blades up off the mat. So let's go through this. This is an exercise that I still do every other week to every month. Love it. But what you're gonna do here is first get your feet set, take them directly up under your knees. So this is about where you want to have them. Next is your hands. So take your hands like this. Now this is our kind of our body's starting position. Now before you go, you want to get those upper shoulder blades up off the mat. That's what gets our upper abs engaged. Now we're trying to engage our obliques. That's where the heel touches come in. So from here, you're working in kind of like a U shape. All right. So it's almost like a slither, like a snake on the ground, just like this. You're wiggling. Boom. Squeeze here. Bam. Opposite side contract. Make sure you're not dropping like this. We got to stay up right here. All right, there's our heel touches. Whew, burn, boy. Now, I will say, if you find that putting your feet, real quick, pro tip here, if you find that putting your feet directly under the knees is too easy, put them out further. Now, you got to go further to hit them, okay? It's just a little pro tip to make those tougher as your body progresses. All right, let's stay resilient, guys. Let's keep training.